So here I am with the Concept 2 rower. So we're going to go through how to use a Concept 2 rower. So first of all, Concept 2 rower is a bit of cardiovascular equipment. So anything cardiovascular basically means that's the main component of fitness that you're training. So this is going to be training the heart and the lungs, more than any other component of fitness. It's great for doing that. It has various adjustments. So we've got a resistance lever here which controls the resistance when we're pulling the lever. We've got some settings on here so we can program it, so we can have a time, a distance, we can do intervals, or you can just get on and row and it will start timing that stuff anyway. And we've also got some foot adjustments. So I'm going to get on and adjust the feet first. Now my resistance is already on number 5, which is actually where I want it. If you do want to adjust it, you just push the lever up and down, but I'm going to keep it on 5. Now when I'm adjusting my feet, I want to make sure that the straps are over the center of my foot. And that just basically means that my foot feels well supported. Now if I need to adjust it, I can just lift these and they slide up and down. So I'm going to keep that for me. I'm going to have that around number 3. My foot slides in there. Pull these straps so they're nice and firm. You basically just don't want your feet moving around when you're rowing. Okay, so I feel like I'm strapped in there. Now, just watch me. Okay, so what I'm doing is, the first thing I did was grab hold of the bar with a pronated grip. So that's an overhand grip, basically. My first movement was just to drive my legs back. So it's my legs first. Then I pull the bar all the way into my sternum there. So then it's my arms. Then on the return phase, my arms go back and then I bend my legs. So it's legs, arms, arms, legs. Legs, arms, arms, legs. So another little tip with the rower is you want to try and return the bar back in a straight line. So if you think about actual rowing, with rowing, it's all about a long, powerful stroke. So I don't want to be doing little short strokes like this. Imagine being in a boat and doing that with the oar, you're not going to get very far. So the idea is nice, long strokes. Now on your display, you've also got something called strokes per minute. With strokes per minute, we don't actually want the strokes per minute very high. So 20-25 strokes per minute is absolutely fine. Any higher than that, and you're probably doing too short a stroke. So think about quality of the stroke, not quantity of the stroke. You also want to make sure that you have a little bit of extension of the hips at the end of the stroke. So as I'm bringing the bar forwards, I'm flexing my hips to get a nice long stroke. And as I come back, I extend the hips. Now generally with exercise, we always talk about having that nice upright posture, and we do want to have an upright posture, but we also want to extend slightly at the end, just to get that big long stroke. And that's your Concept 2 rower.